Okay, people, we're losing daylight. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go straight dive into what we came here to talk about. So today we came to talk about content creation for your Instagram business. So you know, usually in these videos people go through, okay, well, this is how you should do this, is how you should do this. I'm gonna show you how exactly I'm going to make something for my page, or any page actually, through Canva. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and start screen recording, and I'm gonna show you exactly what we're gonna do. So first we're going to go into Canva, which is the app that I use. The apps that I use is Canva, Facetune, PicsArt, and that's about it. Now when it comes to story content, I use Scene and StoryChic, or Chic. I'll put all of those down below in the description, and maybe some popping up around here. But those are good ones to use. So let's go ahead and let's start. So as you can see, we're on Canva, and we're gonna go ahead and make an Instagram post. So I'm gonna go right up here on top where it says Instagram post, if you didn't see. So they have all these different things that are already preset of what you can use. Like, you don't have to think about the size or whether it's gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit Instagram post. And so once I'm gonna go ahead and Instagram post, let me choose a business that is good for me. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna do a pizza place. So, you know, you can go through all of the preset templates that they already have, and you can choose from one of those if you want to. But I think I'm going to create my own, maybe. But they have really cool ones on here. They have relevant posts that you would want to use. They have a lot of stuff that is pretty up to date. Or let's say you see a font that you think you like on a template, but you don't like the rest of the stuff that's on there. Then you can use that and then like erase everything else around it, and just use that font. Because sometimes you see a font and then you never find it in the list that they have for you. But yeah, okay. So I like this one. So it says fries for all. And then I'm just going to try out some stuff and see if I like it or not. So of course I'm not going to put fries for all. Let's say, and I don't like pizza for all. Like, say, pizza is life. And then, is oven baked? What's that thing called? Not oven baked. I don't know. Let's say something else. New York Italian style pizza. Sorry, I know you guys can hear my uncle in the background. Or maybe you can, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go to images. I do pay for Canva Premium. I like everything that they do, everything that they have, because it's pretty awesome. So go to images, and then we're gonna see what kind of stuff. So they have free stuff here, free, and then the ones with the crowns are premium pictures that you can use. Anybody else can use them too, but they usually cost around $1. I like how this one looks. Now that looks good. So you can do something like that, and then put the business up top. Let's do BPW Pizzeria. Pizza is life. I like how this font looks. I like how the pizza looks in the background. Boom. There is a post for your business if you have a pizza place. Okay, pizza, let's try something else. Let's try to use a preset one that we already have. Okay, so if I was going to go to a preset one, let's say I was having a workout class. This one looks like it would be a good one. I like the way she is, so we can say, or let's say we're having yoga. So you'd be like, yoga, a free yoga class, free yoga class. And then over here, I don't like that it's turned that way, so I'm going to turn it. And I'm going to put like the time, like, you know, let's say Thursday, you know, April 2nd at 3 p.m. I don't know. I'm just making up stuff. Lakes Park, Tampa, Florida. Okay, something like that. And then if you wanted to add text, you know, to put, okay, well, you can either choose a preset text also that they have. Like, Canva has everything. If you don't use Canva, I don't know what you're doing. Okay, so let's say I'll put, like, you know, my website, keybreeze.com, right? And then move it over here or something. That is way too small. Still too small. Okay, I can deal with that, because not the main focus. And then, like, if you want to change colors, you can always go ahead and change that. You can change the picture in the background. If you want to move stuff more back, like let's say you want this picture to be more forward, you can go over here and push it forward instead of it being so in the background. You see how it changed right there. So we're going to leave it like that. So if Canva is so easy, I just showed you guys 2 posts for 2 different businesses in less than, I don't know how many minutes, less than 2 minutes. It is very easy to use Canva. It's very easy to create content, but a lot of people lose creativity when it comes to creating content. But I say make sure you look at your competitor's page, see what kind of stuff that they post, and try to incorporate it with your own business. Make sure you have a color scheme when it comes to content that you're creating. Aesthetics is very important. When I say color scheme, I'm meaning let's do peach, white, peach, white, peach, white. You know, try to do the brick style that a lot of people look. If you don't know what brick style is, look up brick style aesthetics on Google for social media, and it'll show you all that, especially on Pinterest. Brick style is very statistically more drawn to people, and I like how it looks as well, because it looks very on point. Another thing is make sure you're staying consistent. Make sure you're posting your content on times that your audience is very engaged. Okay, how do you know that your audience is engaged and what time that their audience is going to be engaged in? You're going to go to your page. So I'm going to show you real quick too. So I'm going to go to my page. I'm going to go over here in these little 3 lines at the top, and I'm going to choose Insight. Then I'm going to go to Audience, scroll down, and then let's say, so today's Saturday, so I'm going to say, okay, my audience is usually engaged around 12, 3, and 6, because those are the highest ones. For Saturday, let's say Monday mostly engaged around, you know, 9 a little bit, but 12, 3 is the time. So you want to post around that time. It tells you everything in Instagram analytics of like exactly when your audience engage, when they're being active, what city they're being active, so you can try to target that kind of audience when you're doing your ads as well, which we'll go into another series. So content creation is very important, of course, because Instagram is all about content. Facebook is all about content. People go on there to find content, to see content, and that's how they learn about your business. If you're ever running out of ideas, just go on Canva, look at the templates, and see what kind of stuff it is, and insert your pictures and your information. That's what the templates are for. They're for that. But, you know, I would always say add a little pizzazz of your own stuff, because remember, hundreds and hundreds of people already have this app, and I'm pretty sure that they've used it too. So you just want to, you know, put a little twang on it. They have lots of elements on there, lots of little clip art things that you can put on there. and I do suggest that you do the premium because it has so much stuff and so much value to it. If you don't feel like you can do the content creation for your business, or you don't know how to start it out, you don't know what to even begin at, KeyBreeze does offer an $85 revamp plan. Keybreeze.com, I'll put the link down below. That is my business. You can also email me if you can't find the plan, because sometimes we don't have the plan on there because there's so many businesses that do order the plan, and I want to make sure that me and my team don't spread ourselves thin for that month. So the $85 revamp plan includes, us creating your color aesthetics, creating 30 days of content for you, plus hashtags, and trying to target an audience only for the first week. So that's something that would be very interesting, that I think that a lot of first beginner businesses or businesses who just haven't got a hang on social media, I would say to do that plan. It's $85. It's very cheap. And it's very valuable. So I hope that I taught you guys something. Remember, these are golden minutes, and we get straight to the point. I tell you exactly what it is, and I try not to go too long, over past 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you guys again for watching, Virgo Lover. You know what it is, what it do. Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you know when the next episode comes out of Golden Minutes. This is episode 2, content creation. Next week, we will be talking about how to target your specific audience so that you can grow your client and customers. Okay, you guys, thank you. Stay tuned. Bye.